Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it because the market is wild, wild, wild west right now. As we know, the market is very vulnerable to come back down another 20% from where we're currently staying at. As you see, even after getting hit as hard as we been hit, we steady creating newer lows for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ within this month, within the same month of having the best performing month all year, guys. All of this is a mixed month happening all in the same month, and then in the end up being in the grand scheme of things at the end of this month towards the we already kind of in the middle, but towards the middle and the end, I'm hoping we go ahead and see a crazy turnaround within this week. But I'm expecting for this to be one of the best months all year, guys. As far as the people that get it, gets it. Knowing that the economy is still at a messed up state, the market could come down much lower, but they understand the opportunity that's presenting itself in the mix of all this, which is those bullish markets within the bearish market. Stocks going up 20-30% in a day. That's equating to over, hundreds of percentage in return with options. Or even if, you bought shares outright, 30-40% in a single day is, very well outperforming the overall market. That's 3-4 years worth of growth. The traditional overall market investing in indexes usually give you a return of about 8 to 10% a year. So if you make 30% in a single day, that's phenomenal. But we know in the options world, people get a little appreciative of what good returns are, being for the fact that 3% return on a stock could give you like 100% return in options. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see what's going on. So the S&P 500 falls for a fifth straight day as market sell-off continues. U.S. stocks fell Tuesday as investors worry that higher interest rates and stubborn inflation will tip the economy into a recession and hurt corporate earnings. So as we know, guys, we got analysts expecting for the economy to go into a recession within the next 6 to 9 months, guys, towards the middle of next year. So as we know, guys, me personally, I don't believe we is going to go into a recession, being for the fact that once next year starts to roll around 2023 and we finish the rest of this year off, aggressively hiking interest rates, and then as inflation start to cool down a bit, the housing market start to come down, gas prices start to come down, consumer spending starts to pick back up, car market coming down, with all these things starting to come back down, I do feel as if, the economy is going to pick back up stronger than before, and we're going to be in the bullish market towards the second quarter of 2023, guys, in my opinion. In my opinion now, I believe this recession and all that, we is in that right now. We in the state of a recession now. And some of these analysts and journalists, they is on the opposite team. They ain't on your team. They putting that fear in you, need you to stay fearful and tell you, yeah, in the next 6 to 9 months, a recession is going to be here. They ain't gonna tell you already in a recession because that's going to make you buy now. What I'm trying to do is scare you off. And in between now and the 6 to 9 months, from you being scared off and waiting for a recession, waiting for the market to get way worse than what it currently is, you end up missing the craziest opportunity of your life of stocks. And you like, dang, what the world? I thought recession was coming. Stocks up over 100%, 300% in the past month. Yeah, you dumb ass. I told you should have been buying it. But anyways, guys, that's my take on it. But not saying like I don't know what's going on. I know exactly what's going on. A recession is very much possible. But my thing is, I believe we already in a recession. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, because we know already a recession really is when consumer spending drops massively, when the economy is not in the same state it was in before. Everybody's not spending money, they saving, they not knowing where the next dollar gonna come in at, and that's basically putting you in a recession. That's what we're currently already in. But anyways, guys, if we go ahead and take a look at it, we know the NASDAQ hit a low on yesterday, a new all-time low, a 2022 low. You want some more? Okay, go throw it in the trash, I'll get you some more. So the NASDAQ hit a 2022 low on yesterday, and the S&P 500 hit a new low for 2022 on today, guys. So as we know, I told you guys, definitely want to be in VIP. The banker we called out is doing phenomenal today. Or everybody else is, suffering in the red. Some stocks is coming back, but we got Upstart, guys, going crazy. We're alerted in VIP. We take a look at it. It hit a high today. It's up over 4.5%. hit a high today of $22.70, broke out above 21.70, and that's what we want to see us build support at, to see a continuation with Upstart, guys. So you definitely want to be up in that if you ain't already. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the BA Show. I love y'all. We out. God bless you.